Question number 20. A ship left point P, which is 10 degrees south, 40 degrees east, and sailed due east for 90 hours at an average speed of 24 knots to a point R. Take 1 nautical mile to be 1.853 kilometers and radius of the earth to be 6,370 kilometers. Part A, calculate the distance between P and Q in nautical mile. So we have the speed, which is 24 knots. We have the time, which is 90 hours. It is important to note that 24 knots means 24 nautical miles per hour. So to get the distance in nautical mile, we'll take the speed, which is 24, multiplied by the time, which is 20 hours, and this gives us 2,160 nautical miles. Roman 2 of part A, we are told to find the same distance that is between P and R in kilometers. So now we change the nautical miles in kilometers, and we are told 1.853 kilometers is equal to 1 nautical mile. So at about 2,160 nautical miles, we can cross multiply, and this gives us 1.853 multiplied by 2160 divided by 1, which is equal to 4,002.48 kilometers. Part B, we are told to determine the position of point R. We need to get the longitude difference so that we can know where R lies, and because we are told that the distance is along a small circle, this is because it is in the latitude 10 degrees south and it is going along east. That means that it will remain in the latitude. Let me demonstrate. So if it is in 10 degrees south, let's say this is point P, and it is going to sail due east, so it will move along this small circle to a point R. Therefore, it is only the longitude which will change. Now we are going to get the longitude difference, because we know that the longitude difference multiplied by 60 multiplied by the cosine of the latitude should be equal to the distance covered, which is 2,160 nautical miles. So let the longitude difference be x, then we multiply by 60 multiplied by the cosine of 10, and this will give us 2,160. So 60 multiplied by cosine of 10 degrees will give us 59.088, and this implies that the value of x will be given by 2160 divided by 59.088. So 2160 divided by 59.088, and this gives us 36.56. Now to get the position of R, we will have the latitude remain as 10 degrees south, then we will have the longitude as 40 plus 36.56. all this is degrees east. So we have R at 10 degrees south, 76.56 degrees east. And the last part of this question, we are told to find the local time to the nearest minute at point R when the time at P is 11 a.m. So we have to get the longitude difference again, which we know as 76.56 minus 40, and this gives us 36.56 degrees. So 1 degree longitude difference gives us a difference of 4 minutes. What about 36.56 degrees? We cross multiply and we'll have 36.56 multiplied by 4 divided by 1, which gives us 146.24, and these can be written as, because these are minutes, we will write them in hours. So we have 2 hours 26 minutes. Now to get the time at point R, we will add the difference in time to the time at point P. So this will be 11 a.m. plus 2 hours 26 minutes, and this gives us 13:26, which is 1:26 p.m.